Poultry-Mon is a smart poultry monitoring system for poultry hatcheries and farms like broiler farms, layer farms, cold rooms, the verticals associated with poultry. So, okay, let's talk about our journey into the poultry industry. So, we started our company in 2016. We started as an industrial IoT company where we have a family business of manufacturing industry. So, we developed an IoT product related to our industry where we were facing our challenges. So, during that journey we met one of our friends who also had a poultry hatchery, and he was mentioning about the challenges that he was facing in during the hatching cycle and everything. So, recently during that time he lost about 4,000 chicks because the operator was sleeping at night. So, he was mentioning this would be more useful, why don't you try the poultry industry. So, that's how we got into the poultry very coincidentally. So, but when we entered the sector and we understood the process and technology that was used in the sector, so we realized that there is a lot of potential to improve the processes that is being done in the traditional methods, and the technology they use is very primitive. Like 30-year technology, that was how the process was done for the last 30 years, more or less it's the same. So, we wanted to change the how the process is being done using our technology. So, that's how Poultry-Mon, and we named it aptly as Poultry-Mon so that it is very convenient for a farmer to say it. So, it's simply poultry monitoring. So, we provide them visibility into the process of what is happening at the farm or a hatchery level. Like for example, what is happening inside an incubator for the 21 days. We monitor temperature, wet bulb, humidity, fan, rack, power, all these essential parameters that are very critical for the process of hatching. So, now we have extended our offerings to layer farms and broiler farms, where we monitor these conditions, and the farmer or owner can see what is happening at their farm level, all the conditions on his mobile phone. So, and if there is any deviation that is happening which affects the birds or eggs, is immediately intimated by alerts and notifications, so that the concerned person can take the action immediately then and there. So, we also provide analytics reports for the owners and customers to take data driven decisions in real time. Really thank AIDEA and NAM to for giving us this opportunity to come for selecting us as the final 10 startups out of 450 applications that they have received for the Agri-Udaan.